In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an iframe widget into Elementor on WordPress. So in order to do this, we first need to head over and make sure that we have Elementor hosted onto our WordPress site. Head over first to your WordPress and click onto this login right here if you already have an account. But if you do not have one yet, head over and click onto this Get Started. Now, in order to install Elementor on your WordPress site, you need to have a plan that supports installation of plugins. So, we have in here Business, which is the best bet for you with 933 pesos per month for a year. So, you can head over and click on this Get option in order to get it. Now, I have in here my actual page created by Elementor. So, let's head over and add in here or insert an iframe widget. For this case, let's click on this widget option and you can search in here for iframe. If you can't find it, it's also named HTML. So head over and then drag it right here and then it will open into this part. You can just input right here the HTML code that you would want. So I have in here this Google Maps location. I'll head over and embed it into my site. So into this, what we can do is we can click onto the share option, then click on this embed a map, and you can see this right here. Now into this part, we can see this iframe link. So click onto this copy HTML, head over back to your Elementor right here, and then just paste right here the iframe that we have. So as you can see, it's now added right here and we can see it all together into this part as well. Next thing you need to do is to just head over and click onto this publish option right here in order to publish the changes that you have made in your actual site. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.